Today I'm going to show you a vegan recipe using all three of our sauces.
Here are all the ingredients you need for this dish. First, get a pot of water boiling. Next, in a large pan, brown the impossible beef in olive oil on medium heat. Season it with salt and pepper. Once the impossible beef is brown, add the garlic, red onions, and mushrooms. By now, the water should be boiling. You can start cooking your pasta. Saute the impossible beef mixture for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, bring the pan to low heat, add the sauce mixture, and bring to a simmer. Once the pasta is cooked, add it to the pan and gently mix until evenly covered. This recipe was created by one of our good friends, Jason, who helped develop a lot of our recipes for our sauce kits. This particular dish is called Sarap Menage et Sauce Pasta.
Let's go! Menage!
And was part of the July 2020 sauce kit.
Alright, now it's time to dig this pasta. Gotta put a little cheese. I like mine spicy too, so a little bit of sauce too. Okay, go. Smells so good. Wow, smells delicious. It's spicy, it's creamy, salty. God, you gotta love that.
Follow us for more recipes.
Catch you later.